Hello guys, today we are going to introduce this dual lens 1080p type cartridge camera to you. This one from the 1080p and the cabin, this one is also the 1080p type. It can be rotated a little bit, and here is the IR light. You can use this at the night. The suction cup, it can rotate 360. The suction cup. And for the SD card, this one max support 128 GB SD card, but today we use the 16 GB SD card to test. Now we connect the car charger. Here is a film. You can tear it off if you don't like it. You can see here the 1080p 30 and 1080p 30. Now it is already recording, and now the IR light is off. You can see the icon here. We press the button. The button is down here. This one is the power button. The menu up, confirm, down. Now we press the OK key to stop recording. Okay, now we press the menu. Resolution. For the resolution here, we can choose to 1080p and 1440 and 720p, and or only front. Many models, I prefer the 1080p type. A loop recording setting off 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We set 3 minutes. WDR exposure. Okay. Motion detection and record audio. Date stamp. Gravity sensor is medium. And parking monitor. The GPS. This one currently not support the GPS function, so we cannot use this one. And the rear mirror camera mirroring, just change the model. Okay, we press the menu, exist, and press again. Count this menu. Time zoom, date, auto power off, beep sound, language. Now let's check language: English, French, Espanol. Many times. Okay. Back menu. Oh no. Frequency screen saver IR. Now we can turn on the IR. But okay. But you see now the IR is not on. We need to use the IR at the low light area. Let's turn off the light. Now it is at a low light area. The IR light is automatically on. We can switch to the camera. Press up button. Now it's front. It's front only. Switch. Okay. Now it's for the cabin side. Face me, face the driver. You can switch. And okay, now we turn off the IR menu. Turn off it. Now no IR anymore. It's like this.